Hey folks, my name's Carlos Calton. I'm the Senior Director of Industrial Equipment Sales here at TitanGreen, and I have something exciting for you today. 2 cutting-edge forklifts with robust lift capacities, incredible features, all powered by lithium. So this is our 5,000-pound EP25K Li lithium forklift. It's manufactured with a lift capacity of 5,000 pounds. We manufacture lithium forklifts, and all other forklifts are manufactured to lead acid, converted to lithium. Let's take a look over here at our 3-wheel now. This is our EP18K Li lithium 3-wheel forklift. It's rated for 3,500 pound lift capacity and designed for maneuverability around tight corners, even able to make 0-point turns. You have a right angle stack of 10.5 feet from beam to beam between aisles. Besides that, it has all the same features of our 4-wheel 5,000 pound forklift. Now, let's talk about the features, safety, battery, and availability. Our TitanGreen forklifts come standard with 42-inch forks. So this means your forklift can maneuver comfortably between aisle spaces of 12.5 feet. And it has regenerative braking. Regenerative braking allows you to put power back into your battery when you're plugging back and forth between your operation. It's also outfitted with solid pneumatic tires. It's got a triple stage mast standard at 189 inches to the top and 83 inches to the bottom when the mast is fully lowered. So you can still get inside of low cube containers. You're also going to notice that we have standard full suspension seats. All of the forklifts that you purchase, they're going to offer you bucket seats. We also have a grab handle with safety in mind so that you have 3 points of contacts when you get into your forklift. Everyone else is going to sell you 3 functions: your lift, your tilt, and your side shift. We offer a 4th function auxiliary here standard. It's got a 4th function lockout switch for safety, so when you're adding an attachment, you actually have to activate the switch to release the function. This is where you attach your single doubles, your carton clamps, your bail clamps, or your pull slips. It's already plumbed and ready for you to use. It's got the clearest mask for visibility, so you can be careful when you're driving forward, and when you go in reverse, we're the only manufacturer that have added a reverse camera with a field view of about 8.5 feet behind you. Everyone's used to their automotive vehicles. The first thing they do when they go into reverse is they look at the display screen to avoid accidents. We've done the same thing on the job site. I call it saving lives. Now, if you look directly above me, you'll see our overhead guard. You're gonna notice that 1, it's much taller than other forklifts. Lots of headspace. 2, it's already got a built-in cover. This is standard with TitanGreen. In addition, you have an industrial grade viewing plexiglass. Without having to creep over, you can see the very top of your load. It's also equipped with an overhead guard light kit. It comes complete with the brightest headlights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signal lights, hazard lights, and a reverse mirror. This allows our forklifts to be used street legal when loading or unloading on service streets. In addition to safety, it comes standard with a reverse grab handle and horn. This allows you to face towards the direction of which you're traveling. Plus, it has a safety blue light. This blue light is projected about 10 feet behind the forklift, so behind turns or corners, they'll always know that there's a forklift coming. To give you an example, if you're coming outside of a loading container, everyone's going to know just by looking at the blue light on the floor that there's a forklift approaching. If in the event that you need to stop, just hit the emergency stop button here on the side of the forklift and all operations stop. You have an operator safety switch. The operator safety switch can identify if there's an operator in the seat or not. So for example, if you exit your forklift and you have an empty seat, somebody can accidentally lean on one of your hydraulic levers, which may release your load. The operator seat switch kills all hydraulic functions, which will prevent this very common accident from happening in the first place. Another key feature is its self-diagnostic display. So if you have any error codes, it'll tell you exactly what's going on. Peace of mind built right into your dash. This forklift also has a display meter. Here, it'll show you your state of charge. And talking about charge, how long does this forklift last in your operation? The forklift is meant to last 2 or 3 shifts consecutively because it's lithium. In a heavy application, it's going to last about 16 hours straight on one charge. I want to bring you into the battery compartment itself. This is your power source. It's a lithium-ion phosphate battery, being the safest battery in the market today. The battery is 80 volts with 356 amp hours. This is how we're able to achieve 16 hours consecutive runtime. You've got a battery connector here, which is a Euro 320 amp with comms. And on the other end, you have a charging port. So traditionally, with lead acid batteries, you have to leave the compartment open. With lithium, you can keep the battery shut and charge directly through the charge port located here on the side of the forklift, just like the EVs on the market. So over here you have the hydraulic motor, and over here you have the induction motor. The induction motor and the hydraulic motor is what makes us different and special, because we're the only manufacturers today that offer this induction motor. This induction motor increases your travel by 20%. How does it work? We reduce the amperage that's being provided from the battery by 20%. This prevents your tires from burning out. So you're not going to have the problems of premature wear on your tires. TitanGreen is the only manufacturer that offers this induction motor, which will make all of these problems go away. Charging on forklifts are faster and easier to keep your job sites operating at its peak performance. We have a 483 phase charger with a 200 amp output. This means you can charge it in 2 hours. Charging with our lithium fast charger also allows you to charge between your 15-minute shifts, adding an additional 2 hours of extra runtime. This is called opportunity charging. So traditionally, if you're running 3 shifts, that's 24 hours. You're going to need 3 forklifts or 3 batteries, 1 per shift. This all goes away when you purchase TitanGreen's lithium solution, which is designed to run 24 hours. Let's talk about availability. TitanGreen has been engineered, designed, and assembled right here in the United States. We're a US-based manufacturer. With the other guys today, you're buying and you're waiting, because the average lead time on forklifts, no matter where you go, after the date of purchase, you're waiting 14 months. We have them in stock. Or if we don't have them in stock, your lead time is only 60 to 90 days. That's our personal guarantee. I want to thank you for taking a first peek at TitanGreen. My name's Carlos Calton, Senior Director of Industrial Equipment Sales. You can contact us here, or you can contact me directly. Don't wait. TitanGreen is available now.